a heavy miter saw, a table saw, and still I found this little circular saw extremely useful and handy. You take the time to set it up correctly, you can make just as accurate cuts like table saw or miter saw, because it's so lightweight, and I think I might use it more often in my garage. The dust collection is very good, as you can see from this shot. It can make very clean cuts on hardwood, as you can see from this angle, and all the dust comes out from the right side. The cut surface is very smooth and clean. I found the laser very useful. As you can see, it can be adjusted in my video review later. If you don't want to take the time to set up your fence, then laser is the way to go.